In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event management. We'll walk through using a ready-made event management setup so you can go from a blank account to a fully structured event workspace in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know where to track your timeline, your registrations, your planning checklist, and your own tasks. Start by heading to your Monday.com homepage and logging into your workspace. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the area where you can create a new board or workspace. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to build everything using a template, which will save you a lot of setup time and ensure you don't miss anything important. Click the option that lets you start with a template. This opens the Template Center. In the search bar at the top, type in a keyword related to events or event management, then look for the event management template that matches what you see on screen. When you've found it, select it to open the preview. Take a quick moment to glance through the description and structure, then click Use Template. Monday.com will now create all the boards and views you need for managing your event. Once the template is created, you'll see a collection of boards. Begin with the registration form board. This is where you'll manage how attendees sign up. Here, you can customize fields like name, email, and any questions specific to your event. You can also generate a shareable form link to send to your audience, and all responses will feed directly into this board. Next, switch to the timeline view. This gives you a visual overview of your event schedule, from planning milestones to the actual event date. You can drag and drop items to adjust dates and quickly see if tasks overlap or if your team is overloaded at a certain time. From there, open the Form Response Viewer. This view focuses specifically on responses coming in from your registration form, making it easier to review attendees and spot any missing information at a glance. Then, move into the Registrants Info view. This is a more detailed breakdown of your attendees, perfect for filtering by ticket type, status, or any custom fields you've added. Open the Event Planning Checklist next. This is your master to-do list for the event. Go through the items, assign owners, add due dates, and update statuses as you progress. You'll also see an event planning doc associated with the template. Use this space for notes, agendas, run-of-show details, or anything that doesn't fit neatly into a board. For task execution, switch to the Kanban board. Here, tasks are organized into columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can drag items between columns as work moves forward, which is great for team visibility. You can then view My Tasks to see everything assigned specifically to you across this event workspace, helping you focus on your own priorities. Finally, open the Event Dashboard. This is your high-level overview with widgets and charts summarizing registrations, task progress, timelines, and more. It's ideal for quick check-ins or sharing status updates with stakeholders. And that's the complete flow, from choosing the event template to managing registrations, planning tasks, and tracking everything on a single event dashboard inside Monday.com.